So just under where your foot pedals are, there is a little box right here. Very easy. It's got labels, but you have to translate it, but I'm going to show you guys anyway. So you just unclip like that, the top thing here, and it's basically the third one here. To pull these out, it's kind of hard with your fingers, so the awesome thing is that Subaru actually include a puller thingy, a pin puller thingy. It's actually in the manual box. You just slide it up. So yeah, you got these things, and you just go to the third one, put it on, and basically grab it out. There we go. And now you check if it's blown, and look at that. You can clearly see that's blown clean, and that is the side lamp park light fuse. And if you're wondering where it is again, it's the top row, third one there. As you can see in the diagram, it's the same one, and that's the only one that's blown as well. So there it is. I am amping my one up to 15. My reason being is because I've relocated my park lights into the headlights, so they get pretty warm. I'm also going to wrap my park light wires with a bit more tape so they don't get as warm. So I'm going to pop this in there, pretty easy. You just go in there, and if you find it difficult to push it in, usually you don't need the puller, so you just go in there just like that and slide it in. There we go. They used to be 10, now it's 15, and the park light should work now. So before we assemble this and put it all back together, we're going to go and test it out. Now you don't need to put your ignition on, you can just use the column switch up above here to switch it on and go have a look if it's working. So yeah, that's working 100% right there. And if we go switch this off, it's now off. I'll switch it back on. So it's fixed itself basically. And if you plan to put your wiring into the headlight, these get really warm, so the best thing to do is wrap it up to here with tape. So that's what I'm going to do now. As you guys can see, I've already wrapped it in black tape, so that should keep the heat away. But if it still keeps blowing fuses out, I'm going to be putting 20 amp fuses in there, and if that blows out, then this will need to come out of the headlight, and a park light will need a separate park light. So if it keeps blowing, I might put a side marker light here or just over here. You guys let me know, because if this things keep blowing, I'm going to jack it up to 20 amps, see if that helps. If it doesn't, that means obviously it's getting too much heat and it's going to keep blowing fuses. But for now, I'm going to try that with 15 amps, and I've already wrapped the wires, so hopefully this works. Let's see. You guys let me know in the comments, but I hope this helped anyone with a Vision 3 or any sort of GC chassis. What if you get this problem? Hopefully this helps you out anyway.